right, what's going on, everyone? Moose here, and today I'm going to shoot the pumpkin challenge from Day at the Range. I've got my pumpkin set up down range. We're shooting the Bergara B14r with the Tractoric and the Ely match. Got two different magazines here, and we're gonna see what we can't do. I'm gonna take a few just warm up shots real quick, and we'll see what we can do here. This is gonna be a good time. So let's go ahead and just take a few shot sighters here. Just barrel back warmed up. Boy, she was shooting. Malfunction. Malfunction. There's somebody out there right now that's really laughing at that. Malfunction. There we go. Okay. Let's go ahead and chop this thing back off with a few more rounds, and we're gonna get started here. I think I did 3. Yeah, I did 3. Let's go ahead and get started. See how we do. This is a new gun to me, so not making excuses, just telling how it is. That was a bit outside, wasn't it? Holy cow. That was the first malfunction. Malfunction. I'm telling you right now, there is somebody out there that's laughing really hard. All right, shot number 2. There we go. That's a kill. Man, she was shooting this stuff a lot better earlier. Out of there. Malfunction. There it goes. Hopefully it's not a whole video of malfunction. There we go. All right. I have yet to stake the ejector on this. All right. Second row. We are at 50 yards. Got a little cross breeze, obviously. There we go. Oh boy, that was a bit outside. Well, shoot. All right, let's see if we can improve this group. I have a feeling I was testing a bunch of ammo earlier to see what it actually likes to shoot. This is only the 3rd time that I've shot it. And so I was going through a bunch of different ammo to see kind of what it liked. And so that's just where we are. It is what it is. We're still getting used to the gun. Wow. Well, apparently she doesn't like this batch of team or match, because this is the one that I was shooting earlier and it was doing really well. And then I had to open up another box. Malfunction. I need to get that malfunction sound from you. You know who you are. Malfunction. I don't dare talk shit to it, but fucking gun. Malfunction. All right, that round's dead. That round's been picked apart. It's definitely dead. I'm not even gonna worry about it. It's been jammed in sideways a few too many times. It's pretty good. I think I missed the target. I'm gonna go back to it. And high again. Woo! Down to the next one. We winged it. Oh, got that one. I think I'm out. Yep. All right. Let's do some more rounds. I do love this gun though, and you know, I haven't even messed with the tuner on it. So I have a feeling that it does like these matches quite a bit. I have not cleaned the barrel since I started shooting it, so probably needs a good barrel swab, but either way, not making excuses, just saying. I wasn't even aiming at that pumpkin. That's bad. Oh, she's coming apart again. It's colder than balls out here, but all right, let me do a cider. Yeah, she's might be the wind. Malfunction. Malfunction again. It's almost like, I don't know. I'm not gonna make excuses. Just is what it is. It's cold. I'm cold. Certainly shot way better earlier. Yeah, it's going out of control now. Cider. I'm shooting ciders. Yeah, see, now it's on the money again. Yeah, there's one. There's a hit. No, it isn't. That was a hit. Malfunction. Malfunction, malfunction, malfunction. This is part 2 of the malfunction video. I love it. I love it. All right. This is a bad showing, I can tell you that, but and low. Well, I definitely didn't score the highest, but I still shot it. So if you guys have time, rush out, go over to A Day at the Range. You can go, I think it's adayattherange.com. You can get his targets and you yourself can shoot these. I'm going to continue to shoot because that's what I like to do. So I'm just gonna load up a few more, and I'm not going to shoot the pumpkin target anymore because I want to make sure that that's all legit and on target. We're going to take the camera down here in a second and talk about our hits and misses, but I do want to just try to put together a group. I don't know if this is going to be on the camera, but if it is, I'm going to go with that little red dot to the upper left side of that target. Look at this freaking thing. Hole in hole. What's going on? Maybe it's afraid of the pumpkins. See what I mean, guys? It's not me or the gun. It's those pumpkins. It's afraid of them. How beautiful. Really? Oh, that was me. I definitely did that. I didn't think I had another round left. I think that's it. Yep, that was it. So, all right, let's take the walk. Show you guys what we're dealing with here. You can see, let me adjust the aperture a little bit. You see there's a target, the gun, the target way down there. Let's take a walk down here. We'll talk about our group. Now I'll show you guys the groups I got earlier. I'm really kind of bummed out that it kind of fell apart. I don't know if it's just because it's cold and I don't know, but this is definitely going to be my submission to the pumpkin challenge from Day at the Range. I appreciate his videos very much. I guess it's not that far off. All right, let's go ahead and put this down there. Go ahead and zoom in on that. So here you go. So let me open up my little tray here so I can see what I'm doing. All right. So here's the last group I did, you know, but miss. So I got 1, 2, 3, no, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, maybe. God, no, I got 11. All right, so I got 11 out of 25. That's pretty bad. But definitely check out Day at the Range, the Pumpkin Challenge. You guys can go download these targets. I've actually got another one I'm going to probably put up just to have a good time. But let me get this. Oops, wrong lever. Almost dropped my thing on the ground. Let me bring that out. There you go. So I definitely appreciate you guys checking it out. 11 to 25, man. It is what it is. Like I said, I haven't had a ton of time with the gun. I shot it once before this just to get it basically zeroed in. But it was a much warmer day. It's definitely cold. Not that I'm making excuses, but I'm cold, man. My hands are freezing. But I mean, it's still accurate. I mean, it needs a little bit of tweaking. I probably need to pick the ammo, then start messing with the tuner just to get it really shrunk in, dialed in. And I will before next spring. And at that point, we'll be back with more videos. So with that being said, I'm Moose. Thanks for tuning in. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that like button, and go check out Day at the Range. Also, check out Cyclops videos if you guys would. And of course, Chris from the 740, as well as Silverback over there at RTT Guns and Gear. And those are great channels to watch and deal with, especially if you're into this kind of content. Till next time, be good to each other. God bless.